Yo guys, what's going on? Today in this video I'll be showing you how I got VideoStar completely for free. This is the modified version of VideoStar where you can get all of the effects without having to pay for the full version. This is really cool. I've been using it recently and you can definitely get it too as well. I'll be showing you in this video how I got VideoStar. This is extremely easy to do. So what you would want to do if you want to get VideoStar is just follow the instructions I'll be showing you in the next few minutes. This is extremely easy to get. So first off, VideoStar is a modified version of the VideoStar application itself. You can get all of this, you can get all of the effects with it. And what you would want to do if you want to get VideoStar is go ahead and open up Safari and go to this website that I'll be showing you. This website is called Tweak Apps. Hold up, .club. This is the website you're gonna be using to get VideoStar. Once you get to this page, there's the VideoStar icon over here. So what you would want to do, click on it. So what you would want to do, type in your email. Select your device. There's Android, iPhone, iPad, iPod, I don't know what else. So just like type in your email and then press on download. After that you're gonna receive a download link to VideoStar. This is extremely easy to do. What you would need to do after this is download 2 apps and run each app for 30 seconds. Once you do that, VideoStar will install on your phone. And that's how you get VideoStar. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope I help you to get